Hi. So this is a follow-up to the bug bite thing. The first time I did it, it was a bit too late. So now I have a fresh bite. Okay, so I have a small bite right here. I'll try to zoom in on it later or take a picture. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the small suction cup and I'm gonna hold it there for 10 seconds. So pull up for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. And actually you can see some blood is kind of drawn up there. So I'll do it one more time and then I'll check on the results tomorrow morning. Okay, so just find this spot, pull up, 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Any more blood? Yeah, there's still a little bit more blood. So nothing. It's still. I'll try to zoom in on that. So you see the mark there. Excuse my hairy legs. There's a dot right there where I was bitten. And we'll check again tomorrow to see if it gets better or worse. Okay, so this is the morning after I used the bug bite thing. And if you notice, this is where I was bitten. And if you notice from the last video that usually I swell up, this is almost flat. It's still a bit tender. I might use it again, but so far looks like that the bug bite thing has taken out most of the poison, so it hasn't gotten to a stage where it would swell up really bad. So that's the bug bite thing follow up. So from my experience, using it as early as possible and sucking the poison out of the bite itself does the trick. So there you have it, bug bite thing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.